Namaskar Mitro. Today I'm going to talk about planet Jupiter. If again, when I start the video, I always tell you all to imagine the solar system. And before I start the video, I do really apologize that I couldn't upload the video in a continuous frame because I had to learn a lot about planet Jupiter. It has a lot of properties, guys, and it has a lot of value in astrology. So coming back to the point, guys, if we go back to the solar system and see, after any other planet, that is Jupiter, any other planet doesn't has that huge mass and huge gravity. So in the solar system, after the sun, Jupiter is the only planet which has the most powerful gravity, which after that, whatever planets are after Jupiter in the solar system, it has an effect of the gravity on those planets as well. Okay, so in astrology, in Vedic astrology, if I talk about planet Jupiter, it is related to studies, it is related to growth, it is related to good deeds, it is related to your promotion in career, it is related to studies, how good you capsulate the studies, how good you capsulate the knowledge. And of all the planets, planet Jupiter is the only planet which is the most pious, the purest of all the planets in astrology. Okay, now if I talk about, I'll start from the student life. Okay, so there might be many students who do not have that enthusiasm or that willingness to learn something new, or even the studies, even the normal studies, if they go through it, so they do not have that particular enthusiasm. In this case, it is the effect of a weak planet Jupiter. And sometimes you will find few people or few students who say that studies are not that important. There are many people in this world who have succeeded without studies. It's also a malefic planet Jupiter. Okay, so as I told you all, planet Jupiter is the lord for studies, knowledge and good deeds. It is something which will make the education happen in students' life smoothly. It will not have the particular student will not have any breakages in studies, any fallbacks in classes, or in fallbacks in studies. Like for an example, like he was not promoted to the next standard, so they do not clear that particular standard, they have to repeat that standard for a year. So if the planet Jupiter is weak, you will find education will happen with hurdles, lot of struggles, lot of incompetency to get the marks, lot of like lack of interest, that they will try to read and they will just pass, or they will pass by grace marks, and they will try to clear the particular subject. In some cases, it is also seen that the education not gets completed, and education not gets completed in the sense they might have left the education in between, might be for family reasons, might be for financial reasons, might be for XYZ reasons. It is also planet Jupiter which is weak. And in the case, I will tell you, you will find few exceptional cases wherein you will find some people who have a lot of issues in their family, lot of financial issues in their life, but still they're able to complete their education on time. They still get success in getting a job, and they get a higher position in their career and all. So it is about all planet Jupiter. Okay, now generally those people, you will find the people who mug the subjects. Okay, so it is also a weak planet Jupiter. They will not try to understand it logically, rationally, and on the basis of how the facts, where the facts, what about the facts, these kind of things they will not try to learn it. They will just try to mug it up. Okay, So sometimes it is also seen that they're not able to understand the subjects, they just try to mug it up and just try to vomit it up on the paper. Okay, so that is also a weak planet Jupiter. Okay, as I told you all, studies, it is always that when I talk about studies, learning and retention capability comes into role. Now learning and retention capability is also something related to planet Jupiter. Now if I talk about planet Jupiter, sometimes those people who have a weak planet Jupiter, they will, as I told you all initially, that they will not have that enthusiasm to learn for that their education or gain a new thing in life, learn knowledge about a new thing in life, but they will have a very poor retention capability. Now if you see my previous video of planet Mercury, it is about remembering the things. Okay, now planet Jupiter is about long-term memory. What happened 10 years back? What did you learn 10 years back? What the events that occurred in your life, like in the childhood? Some people still remember in their young age. Some people still remember when they get old. Okay, so it is about something which shows a good planet Jupiter. Okay, now the people who have weak planet Jupiter, they will be always in an imaginative world. The imagination would be impossible or very difficult, or it is something which is out of the world, unachievable kind of imagination. There will be always in imaginative world. Even if the session is going on, even if the class is going on, even if they're talking to someone, they will be thinking of something else in their mind, some other calculation, some other world they might be there. So some people also, as I told you, like they will feel that knowledge, learning, certificates or student life or something, engineering is a waste of time. Colleges are a waste of time. It's just that there are many people who got success without even studying. Okay, they got success, sure, they got success, but study is the medium for that, to reach to that level. Okay, the people in colleges or in schools, you will find they disrespect their teachers, they disrespect any elder outside their family. Okay, and they do not see women outside their family with respect. That is also a weak planet Jupiter. It shows a weak planet Jupiter, in the sense, whatever elders or whatever teachers or whatever guardians or whatever kind of people, elder in age to you or elder in knowledge, you meet them outside your family, represents planet Jupiter. So you will find few people in this society, or even you will say that you might have met these kind of people who do not have respect for their teachers, who do not have respect for their lecturers. Sometimes they will not be able to take advantage of their teachers as well. If they don't disrespect their lecturers, they are not able to take the full advantage of their lecturers. They are not able to ask questions. They will hesitate in asking doubts. They will hesitate in clarifying their doubts. That is also a weak planet Jupiter. Now, as I told you all in the initial stage of this video, planet Jupiter represents good deeds. Okay, now they will always not even try to do something constructive outside their family. I'm telling, when they step outside their home, they will not even try to do something constructive for the society, for the people, for the elders, for the teachers, for the lecturers, for the college, for the school. They will always be in this destructive mode. How to damage, how to delay, how to cause damage to somebody's reputation, or disrespect this particular person at this point of time, cause damage to a reputation to who is elder to you, is always a planet Jupiter. Okay, I always have met these kind of people in my life, and they have always motivated me, guys. The thing which I'm going to say, just listen to it. Sometimes you meet few people in life who are equivalent to a library. You will think, oh my God, they have so much knowledge, they share so much things. They will say one line and it will be full of knowledge. You will learn so many things from them. So it shows a good planet Jupiter. If the planet Jupiter is weak, that person will be a person of one book and he will be argumentative on that. Also, planet Jupiter is the lord and controller for all five senses of human body. A planet Jupiter, a person wouldn't have control over their senses. Also, they will be misusing their senses. I have explained this in earlier videos. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. We always have a notion that planet Saturn gives you the result of your deeds, and we say that it's the most active planet. Every planet in astrology has the same action. If you mishandle, or if you misuse your powers, or if you do not show respect, or if you do not do any kind of good deed to elevate that particular planet in your astrology, in your chart, it will always show its own malefic effects. The same way planet Jupiter also shows. Okay. Planet Jupiter is the lord for religion. Whatever temples that we have, any kind of religious institutions that we have, wherein people go in, they share some knowledge about religion, they share some knowledge about dharma, they share some knowledge about karma, how to lead your life, these kind of things. Planet Jupiter is the lord for them. Okay. And if it is weak in a person's chart or in a recipient's chart, they will become generally orthodox, they will be bigots, religious bigots, and they will only follow rules and not have gratitude towards God. They will be always and always following rules. Just for the sake of rules, they will follow their religion. They will not have gratitude towards God. They will not try to understand the basic seed of faith. They will not try to understand the basic seed of belief. They will not try to understand the basic seed of their religious book. They will just follow it for the sake of it. Okay. In some cases, it is also seen that as it is, if the planet Jupiter is very malefic in position, then the particular recipient would even doesn't take the name of God. They will not even utter the name of God. They will be atheist. Okay. They will be atheist, and to a level where they will mock their own culture, where they will question their own culture, but not logically. They will be always argumentative. They will never ever try to understand but that particular custom, that particular culture in their religion logically, rationally, or with a enthusiasm to know why they do it. Okay. So we have many kind of people who generally raise their questions on their religion, and they will give you some arguments which are not even related to it, which you feel that it's very worthless to answer them on that particular comment. That shows a weak planet Jupiter. That shows a weak planet Jupiter. Always remember, guys, planet Jupiter is the lord for good deeds. It's cutting off your good deeds. It's cutting off your good deeds in the sense you're not able to do good karma. When you don't do good karma, you don't get progress in life. It is also some special cases, they become master of conspiracy, and they would be pure hypocrite. They would be ready to achieve their aim, their objective at any cost. We have a lot of people in offices like this. It shows weak planet Jupiter, guys. You all do not have to worry for them. They will face their fruits. If these symptoms are shown in somebody's nature, you don't have to even observe the horoscope. It's sure short planet Jupiter which is weak. These kind of symptoms which I've told you all earlier. Okay. Now planet Jupiter is also the lord for society. So if planet Jupiter is weak, and if you find lot of people in the society who have weak planet Jupiter or malefic planet Jupiter, then you will find barbarism increasing in the society, injustice increasing in the society, criminality increasing in the society, any kind of rise in crimes. These are because of weak planet Jupiter in the society. If people start accepting the criminals in their society, it's about weak planet Jupiter. I always am a very strong follower of this statement which I am going to make. You have to read Vedic philosophy in a very deep way to understand what is being a person of a civilized society. When you talk about civilized society, our Vedic scriptures have that. I would request you all, if you all get hold through internet or through library, or if you have someone who has Vedic scriptures, try to read them out. It speaks about how a civilized society should function, and it's actually really intriguing if you all go through that. Jupiter is also the lord for financial stability. I told you all, career, right? If weak Jupiter is there, then financial security goes in for a toss. Okay, they would have breakages in their career, they would have issues in their promotion, they will not be regarded for their hard work from their seniors, or their seniors are actually favoring someone else in the office. This is all about weak planet Jupiter, guys. Okay, so these people have actually a notion that money should just come in. They don't have to complete that particular task, or it shouldn't come up to a conclusion. It's just that the money should be coming every month, or it's just that the money should be actually accredited to their account, and it's okay, their job is done, they worked for it. It's that kind of an attitude would be there for these kind of people. If it's more malefic, the recipient would gather money by backdoor policies, by bribe, corrupt means, and by any kind of means which is not direct. If all the guys, this is very important, of all the 9 planets, planet Jupiter is the only planet which gives its result not only to you, but also to your offsprings, also to your children, also to your next generations. Okay, and I have seen this in my life, that there was a family which had to pay for the deed which was done by their great grandfather till now, and till now they are paying for it. So it's about planet Jupiter, guys. You have to do a lot of pujas, a lot of mantra, a lot of japas for that, in order to cut that particular deed. As I told you all, guys, planet Jupiter is the most purest and pious of all the planets, and if you have a bad planet Jupiter, none of the planets will come to help you out. I'm telling you, none means none. Nobody can help you out if planet Jupiter is weak, if planet Jupiter has gone to a malefic position. Okay, guys, there are few people or few couples you would find, they would have a weak child or a feeble child, or born with abnormalities. Okay, or no child. Okay, it's all about planet Jupiter. It's a weak planet Jupiter. If the relation between the child and the parent is of an enemy, the child is not at all regardless of their parents or their mother or father, and the relationship that goes is full of friction, full of arguments, and sometimes they are enemies. Okay, they will lock horns. So it is all about planet Jupiter, guys. It's a weak planet Jupiter. In ladies, planet Jupiter is the lord for marriage, and is the planet Jupiter is the lord for husband. If it is weak, these ladies generally get late marriage or delayed marriage, or marriage happens with lot of struggles, or sometimes the marriage doesn't happen at all. It is about weak planet Jupiter. The higher the position of planet Jupiter, the respect will be more for that particular person. The fame will be more. Back to health issues, guys. Health issues related to planet Jupiter. Liver issues, bile issues, gallbladder, mental or physical structure of the body, developmental disorders, pituitary gland disorders, dwarfism, learning ability issues, dyslexias, Alzheimer's, paralysis issues, okay, meningitis, lymphatic issues, the people who get fat. Guys, this is one thing very important. When a person is slim and he is fit, and after some years if you observe that particular person has increased a lot of weight, unbearable weight, he is not able to carry on his own weight, it is only 2 planets that affect. either planet Jupiter or either planet Shukra, okay, or planet Venus, you can say. These are the only two planets that affect. In ladies, it is planet Jupiter, okay. So clear symptoms of weak Jupiter. It is a clear symptom of weak Jupiter if your body has abnormally increased, body weight has abnormally increased. It is a spleen issue, thyroid issue, eating disorders, or bile issues, or myopia issues. Okay. Practical remedies. Coming back to remedies. Try to improve positivity in your personal life. Guys, I always tell you all, sit below the people tree so that it works immensely. It works like wonders, guys. When you all do that particular asana, or if you use it as your daily life, as a part of your daily life, wherein you go every day and sit beneath the people tree, it really works wonders, guys. It gives you a positive attitude towards life, positive attitudes towards others people. Okay, try to gain as much as knowledge as you can. See, a knowledge of any kind is a knowledge, be it anything, guys. Try to gain that particular knowledge completely, complete that particular knowledge to a conclusion. Okay, like I am doing. I'm learning astrology on its own. Try to save money. Try to stay in, try to save money. Try to stay in the job without breaks. It's a hard thing, guys, but you have to do it. If the planet is weak, you have to do some karma on your end. Okay, try to reduce addictions. Okay, see, always change your attitude. Okay, change your group, change your circle. Okay, try to get yourself into a good company. Okay, follow a particular guru, or be in the conscience of a particular guru or particular elder person. Okay, have visit towards old age homes and try to service them. Okay, try to visit the religious institutions like temples, gurudwaras, visit there, and try to make it a habit weekly or twice in a week. Okay, try to avoid deep fried foods, meat, alcohol. Try to include turmeric and pulses into your daily diet. Okay, what are the astrological solutions? Try to read Vishnu Sahasranam. When you do Vishnu Sahasranam, you have to lead a complete positive life. There shouldn't be any kind of negativity in your life, otherwise it will hit you back. So worship to Lord Vishnu, or do Vishnu Sahasranam if you all can do it. Do charity on a daily basis. Okay, related to planet Jupiter. Okay, you have to place a people tree or plant a people tree in the east direction and water it every day. Try to donate turmeric, brown gram, okay, which we say chana, desi chana in Hindi. Okay, and red pulses to temple or old poor man or to a priest. Okay, see, I told you planet Jupiter is the lord for studies. It is always good if you can do a donation in means of pen, books, or any kind of study related material like whiteboard, blackboard, green board, any kind of school making material. If you help out in that particular money as well, it is you are making your planet Jupiter up. Okay, wear a gold chain on the neck on a Thursday, or put a turmeric, you take a thread, apply turmeric paste onto it on a Thursday and apply it on your index finger or on your neck. Okay, possibly most people wear a gold ring on the index finger. That also works, guys. Guys, my objective is to actually give you all knowledge, give you all the main seed in order to change your own life based on symptoms that you all face. If you all like this video, or if you all find that this video can help someone whom you know, please do share this video. Thank you so much. Take care.